global icons जो मेरी भी personal icon है, Louise Hay. She is someone who is a very big inspiration for my work. I feel like right now her soul is not here. She was born in 1926, and she lived till 90, almost 90 years of age. And आप बिलीव कर पाओगे कि उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ के बेस्ट ईयर्स, द मोस्ट प्रोडक्टिव और द मोस्ट क्रिएटिव और द मोस्ट सोलफुली प्रोफेशनली फुलफिलिंग ईयर्स वो मेनोपॉज में बिताए. मतलब उनकी कहानी कुछ इस तरह है दैट शी गॉट डिवोर्स्ड एट 40 एंड दिस इज a time, and after that she was diagnosed with cervical cancer. So when all of this is happening, the society will tell you that your life is finished.
Right.
But she did not let that happen to her. She went on to the work of self-love, positive self-talk, mindset shifts, affirmations, all this work which basically is the core of what I do.
Right.
And I have learned from her, okay, through reading her books and her courses and everything. And I have had that transformation in myself also. So उस सब के बाद उन्होंने अपने आप को कैंसर से ठीक किया. उन्होंने 50s की एज में हे हाउस, जो कि आज की डेट में इट्स अ $100 million पब्लिशिंग हाउस,
Right.
वो एस्टैब्लिश किया.
And मेरे हिसाब से सारी मोटिवेशनल बुक्स वहीं से छपती हैं.
Exactly. Right now, all the motivational books of the biggest names, Dr. Joe Dispenza हो गए, Brian Tracy हो गए, everybody which, self-development area में कोई भी कुछ करना चाहता है या कुछ सीखना चाहता है, all the books are coming from there.
From there, yes.
Yeah.
True.
So, when a woman can, harness that power from that zone, who is stopping you? That, dear listener, that, listening to us.
I agree to that. And this is where the concept of self-love and happiness and mindfulness comes. So I would want you to explain these two terms briefly, that
Yes,
how
sure.
what do we understand out of this?